what are key things that ties to an iconic dish? For me personally, it needs to be visible and popular, making others curious about that dish and how it tastes like. Second, it needs to be one of the dish that the locals truly enjoy and give meaning to it. And third, it carries the taste of the nation and they swear by its taste. So today, I'm making another iconic Korean dish you have probably seen in countless of movies, Korean dramas, and even K-pop music videos. It's known as Jajangmyeon, or Korean black bean noodles. So Jajangmyeon and Champong are like yin and yang. In Korea, people are usually loyal to one or the other. Some people grow up eating Jajangmyeon and then switch to Champong, but some, they go the other way around. So Jajangmyeon is often eaten to celebrate special occasions, especially after you graduated from university or high school. While Champong is for those who love a spicy, savory kick and finding peace in their life. So one thing many Muslims don't realize is that traditionally, Jajangmyeon contain pork. Plus the Jajang black bean paste tends to have alcohol mixed into it. So today, I'm gonna make a halal version using chicken and non-alcoholic jajang paste. So let's head off to the kitchen now. Alright, welcome back to the kitchen. So today we're gonna cook something very delicious, something that you see very often on television, movies, and variety shows. So today we're gonna cook Jajangmyeon. So let's go!
1 zucchini, 2 scallions, and 2 onions. 1 boneless chicken drumstick. 4 cloves of minced garlic. 5 mushrooms sliced into thin pieces. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Black pepper powder and oyster sauce. Soy sauce and sesame oil. Halal Jajangmyeon paste. Halal gochujang paste. Halal bulgogi sauce. Halal instant udon noodle. First, we cut the zucchini into chunky pieces. Do not cut it too thinly. Same goes for the onions as well. Next, we slice up the scallion. Slice up the potato into bite-sized pieces. For the chicken, remove the fats and cut it into smaller chunks. Then heat up the wok and pour some oil. Once the wok starts to heat up, put in the chicken. Stir them. 2 tablespoons of bibigo bulgogi sauce. Stir the wok. Put in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir the wok. Add the onions, garlic and potato. Stir it up. And then put in the scallions together with the zucchini. Stir it very well. Before you put in the jajang paste, create a space in the center of the wok and put in 2 tablespoons of jajang sauce at the center. Stir it well, making sure that all the paste spread across the ingredients. Once done, add 1 tablespoon of gochujang paste, then continue stirring. Add the mushrooms, stir them together. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Stir everything. And then add a cup of water into the wok. Add a teaspoon of MSG, this is optional, and then leave it to boil. Put in a 1/4 cup of water into the starch and start stirring, and then pour it into wok and continue to stir the ingredients together until the sauce thickens. And once it's thickened, put in a bit of black pepper powder, stir it. Once it's cooked, put in a bit of sesame oil and stir it. So for the servings, I'm using udon. You can use spaghetti or banh mian, but I couldn't find halal pool noodles, so I'm using udon instead. So thank you so much for staying with me. I hope you're going to try out this recipe. Let me know how it goes down in the comment section below. Assalamualaikum.
Oh, thanks. Nice. Nice.